Deep learning has propelled AI into realms previously only imagined. Let's look at 5 impactful case studies showcasing its transformative power across various industries. Case Study 1. Image recognition in healthcare. Deep learning, especially CNNs, is revolutionizing medical diagnosis. Models are trained on vast datasets of X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to detect diseases like cancer, pneumonia, or diabetic retinopathy with accuracy comparable to or even exceeding human experts, aiding early diagnosis and treatment. Case Study 2. Natural language translation. Services like Google Translate leverage deep learning, particularly sequence-to-sequence models and later transformers, to translate text and speech between languages in real time. This has significantly broken down communication barriers globally. Case Study 3. Voice assistants, Siri, Alexa. When you speak to your voice assistant, deep learning is at work. It uses deep neural networks for speech recognition, converting audio to text, and natural language understanding, interpreting intent, allowing for natural conversational interfaces. Case Study 4. Recommendation engines at scale. While basic recommendation systems use foundational ML, giants like Netflix and Amazon use deep learning to process massive amounts of user data, movie genres, viewing habits, and product attributes to provide highly personalized and effective recommendations, driving engagement and sales. Case Study 5. Autonomous vehicles. Deep learning is the brain behind self-driving cars. CNNs process camera feeds for object detection, cars, pedestrians, traffic lights, while other deep learning models fuse data from LiDAR and radar to perceive the environment, make navigational decisions, and control the vehicle in real time. These case studies highlight deep learning's ability to tackle highly complex problems, especially those involving unstructured data like images, audio, and text, and achieve superhuman performance in many domains. Next, we'll dive deeper into computer vision with AI.